Emergency evacuations in Georgia following a chemical plant fire outside Atlanta that spewed potentially toxic smoke into the air and forced an interstate to shut down in both directions. Our senior national correspondent Steve Osunsami is on the edge of the evacuation zone. Good morning, Steve.
Good morning to you, Lindsay. Parts of this major interstate, Interstate 20, are going to remain closed today while authorities clean up this chemical mess. They're still telling people to stay inside their homes and keep their windows closed.
More than 17,000 people east of Atlanta are still worried about returning to their homes today after a fire at this pool chemical plant forced them from their neighborhoods. The colored clouds of burning chemicals filled the sky in Conyers, Georgia for most of the day Sunday, and people miles away could see what looked like skyscrapers of smoke.
I want to strongly ask all of you to please spread the word to stay away from this area at this point.
It was dangerous to breathe. So authorities shut down the busy interstate nearby, backing up traffic in both directions for hours. Families who agreed to leave spent the night in makeshift shelters.
If you choose not to evacuate, please do not get out and ride around and take videos of what's going on. Either leave or stay, but don't be wandering around in the city.
The fire initially broke out in the morning inside the BioLab pool chemical plant when water from a sprinkler mixed with a product and caused a chemical reaction. Firefighters were able to put out those first flames, but then the fire later reignited and the building collapsed.
What you're seeing is still that chemical reaction from that water reactive chemical product.
Investigators aren't sure yet which chemicals burned and released into the air or what caused the fire to reignite.
This is now the third major incident at this same chemical plant in the last several years. George, these families have been here before.
Okay, Steve, thanks very much.